Hello everyone, I am Walt. Here we are with principle number 59 in this series. 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. As I said, part 59 in this series. So, what are we diving into this time? What are we talking about? Yeah, with our 59th principle. This one is to let something slide. And I think of this also as like letting something go. Okay, this can be something you do or something somebody else does, but I think we kind of have a hard time forgiving, ourselves and others for small things at the very least. Like, I can think of all these kind of other things, but we've already done the principle of, forgive yourself. Some fighting hummingbirds over here. So we've already done the forgiveness principle. So what is letting something slide? It's kind of like when something goes a little bit wrong and you don't like it, just don't say anything. Just like let it slide, let it go, It's a good speech in Billions episode 3 about why you can't let things slide. That's pretty hilarious. If you haven't watched Billions, it's a hilarious show. I love that show. It's also got lots of trading stuff, so that's probably why I like it as a trader. Anywho, let's dive out of my TV preferences here and back into some of why we want to do this. Why is this really a good idea to let something slide? And the answer is because you want your life to be one that's happy, where things go well and where things go right and all that kind of fun stuff. So you got to be easygoing. The big thing about being easygoing is just to let some things go, Something goes a little bit wrong, let it go, okay? And these are like the small things. Of course, the whole thing with the forgiveness one is saying, okay, these are some big things you might need to forgive. But letting it slide is just saying, okay, small thing that happens wrong on my day, I can let that slide. For example, earlier today I was trading and I had a 3-0 kind of day, 3 wins, no losses in my trades. And then I noticed about like half an hour, 40 minutes after, kind of where I would have taken a trade, that there was a brilliant trade that I just missed. And I was trying to pay attention. I was looking for some other kind of setup, a reversal thing, and I just didn't even notice the trend trade that I could have taken that would have made my day 4-0. And that might be valuable for the long run of probabilities and all that, but otherwise, it's kind of just something to let it slide, Like, I didn't lose a trade. I didn't, do something that was going to sabotage my trading. I just missed something. We all are going to miss things here and there, and it's important to let yourself, acknowledge the fact that you don't need to be perfect. You can let some things go. Just let them slide and be happy with who you are and what you do, okay? Because in this life, life is too short to be unhappy. It is an experience that is joyous, that is wonderful. There's so many great things to do. Even when things feel bad, there are so many wonderful things out in there in your life. So I would say it's kind of just something where let some things slide, let them go. Anyway, I am Walt. Check out some of my writings on Amazon if you guys would like to. I have lots of affirmations there as well if you guys are interested in that kind of fun material. Otherwise, I also have affirmations on this channel. I've got lots of, free videos that do a bunch of affirmation stuff for various things. So I think I'll make some more of those at one point or another. But we will see. Anywho, thank you guys for watching. You guys have been a wonderful audience, and I will see you guys next time with our next video. Stay tuned. I'll see you then.